What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert, back in Cypress, California, here to install the ultimate surround sound system for a wonderful family inside of their bonus room. I'm going to be installing a Sonos Dolby Atmos 7.2.4 system. This is a surround sound system that not only has speakers in the front and in the back, but also 4 virtual speakers that aim up to the ceiling and bounce back down, giving you that overhead surround sound. It is absolutely amazing. So working over in the front of the room, I'm installing a Samsung 75-inch 4K TV and a pull-out bracket that they brought over from their previous house with a brand new Sonos Arc Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker that I float underneath the TV, and 2 bass subwoofers, one in the front and one in the back. Working on the rear back speakers, I do the wiring, the drywall repair work, the touch-up painting, and make it look professional like it was always there, giving you that floating speaker look. It's absolutely amazing. Wrapping around, looking at the front, the soundbar speaker, I just want you to know, it has 11 speakers inside of this bad boy, including 2 that fire up into the ceiling. And talking about the back speakers are absolutely amazing. They fire in 3 different directions, to the left, to the right behind you, and also up into the ceiling. So you have that 4 virtual speakers bouncing above your head and coming back down, giving you that overhead surround sound effect. So besides having a great sounding system and a great looking system, it has to be super simple to be able to use with a great experience, which is why I connect an Apple TV 4K to my home tech expert surround sound systems. Now, let's take a look at the finished product.
Everyone here is the best there is. Who the hell are they going to get to teach us?
Maverick Mitchell. Let me be perfectly blunt. You were not my first choice. You were here at the request of Admiral Kazansky, a.k.a. Iceman. He seems to think that you have something left to offer the Navy. But that does not kill me.
With all due respect, sir, I'm not a teacher. Just want to manage expectations.
Wow, listening to this system live in person, it just blows you away. If you want to get something professionally done like this in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com.